The French Revolution, spanning 1789 to 1799, was a transformative period driven by societal inequality and Enlightenment ideals. It sought to overthrow monarchy, aristocratic privilege, and establish democratic principles. Originating from economic hardships, the Estates General convened in 1789, leading to the National Assembly and the Tennis Court Oath. The storming of the Bastille in 1789 symbolized resistance to tyranny. The Constitution of 1791 established a constitutional monarchy, but radical changes emerged, with King Louis XVI's execution in 1793 leading to the First French Republic. The Reign of Terror, under the Committee of Public Safety, saw mass executions and Robespierre's leadership. The Thermidorian reaction brought moderation, leading to the Constitution of 1795. Napoleon Bonaparte's coup in 1799 marked a shift to authoritarian rule and his proclamation as emperor in 1804. The revolution's legacy is profound, achieving goals like the end of feudalism and equal rights, yet causing turmoil and inspiring global fights for liberty. It shaped modern political thought, influencing citizenship, human rights, and governance. The French Revolution remains a complex, pivotal event that transformed societal and political norms.